Hello everyone, this is electrostatic part 3. Our objective is to understand the basic properties of charge. So, what are the basic properties of charge? These are, there exist only two types of charge in the nature. This is the first one. Second one is, like charges repel and unlike charges attract. This is the second property. And the third is charge is quantized. And fourth is charge is conserved, and the fifth is charge is additive. We will discuss these properties one by one. The first is only two types of charge exist in nature. As we know, there are only two types of charges exist in nature. First is, say, negative charge due to electrons, and the second is the positive charge due to protons. And we know that if a body is neutral, that does not mean that the body do not have any charge. Actually, the body has same charges of opposite nature. That means the amount of negative and positive charge is same in the body with equal number of electrons and protons. The second property is, like charges repel and unlike charges attract each other. That means if we have two bodies, one of them has positive charge, another has positive charge, then these two bodies will repel each other. That means they will exert a force on each other to push them away. If out of two bodies, one is positively charged and another is negatively charged, then these two bodies will attract. The third property is charge is quantized. What is the meaning of charge is quantized? It means that charge exists in fixed quantities. That means if there is a body which has certain amount of charge, say Q, then this Q may be equal to charge carried by single electron, or may be equal to charge carried by two electrons, or charge carried by 3 electrons, and so on. That means the charge carried by this body may be equal to the charge carried by n electrons, right? The charge may be positive or negative. This is quantization of charge. That means the charge on a body cannot have a fractional value of charge on an electron. It can only have integral multiple of charge of an electron. What is the charge is quantized? Q equal to NE. Something to be noted here is E is equal to magnitude of charge on an electron. That means 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. To be noted here, this E, that means magnitude of charge on electron, is known as basic unit of charge. We can see one application of this quantization of charge. How many electrons are there in 1 coulomb charge? So, how to solve this problem? Here, the given quantity of charge Q is equal to 1 coulomb, and by quantization of charge, Q is equal to NE, where E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So, comparing these two equations, we have NE is equal to 1, and this implies that N is equal to 1 by E. That is 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. After solving this, we get 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. So 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons make a charge of 1 Coulomb. Okay. This is quantization of charge. The next property is charge is conserved. Charge is conserved means charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. Right? The fifth property is charge is additive. Charge is additive means charge can be added. Say we have a body like this. It already has some charge equal to say 3 microcoulomb, right? And if we provided some more charge, say plus 3 microcoulomb charge, then total charge on this is equal to plus 3 microcoulomb plus 3 microcoulomb total plus 6 microcoulomb. Say we also give it some more charge, say minus 2 microcoulomb. Then the net charge on the body will be sum of all these charges, plus 3 microcoulomb, plus 3 microcoulomb, and plus minus 2 microcoulomb. That means we will add this here, minus 2 microcoulomb plus minus 2 microcoulomb, and the body will have a total of plus 4 microcoulomb charge. This property is known as charge is additive. That means charge can be added. In general, we can write total charge on a body is equal to sum of the charges available on various parts of the body, and so on. If you like the lecture, share it with the friends, subscribe the channel, and make a comment. Thank you for watching.